Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite users to your Google Play Console project. Perfect if you're working with a team or need to give access to a developer, tester, or marketer. Need to invite someone to your Google Play Console project? It's super easy. First log in to your Google Play Console account. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Users and Permissions. Then, click the Invite New User button at the top right. Enter the email address of the person you want to invite. There's also an access expiry option, which lets you set a time limit on how long this person has access. This is super useful if you're working with freelancers or temporary collaborators. You can also assign them to specific apps if you don't want them to access everything. After that, you'll see permission settings. Choose the access level you want to give them. For example, full access, release management, store presence, or just financial data, depending on their role. Once you're done, click Send Invitation. That's it. The invited user will get an email to join your Google Play Console project. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and feel free to ask questions in the comments.